Once upon a time in a small town nestled among snow-covered hills, there stood a quaint little cottage adorned with twinkling lights and wreaths. This humble abode belonged to the Callahan family, Emily, Thomas, and their daughter, Lily. Christmas Eve had arrived, and the Callahans were bustling with excitement. The aroma of freshly baked cookies filled the air as Emily and Lily danced around the kitchen, their laughter echoing through the house. Meanwhile, Thomas was outside, carefully placing ornaments on a beautifully decorated Christmas tree. As night fell and the stars shimmered in the wintry sky, Lily's eyes sparkled with anticipation. She had been eagerly waiting for Santa Claus to visit and bring her the doll she had wished for all year. Just as the clock struck midnight, soft jingles of bells echoed from afar. Lily's heart skipped a beat as she rushed to the window, her eyes widening in wonder. A sleigh led by reindeer emerged from the night sky, and Santa Claus himself landed gracefully on the snowy roof of their cottage. "Santa's here! Santa's here!" Lily squealed with joy, waking her parents with excitement. Emily and Thomas hurried to join their daughter by the window. They watched in awe as Santa descended the chimney and placed beautifully wrapped gifts under the twinkling Christmas tree. The door creaked open, and in walked Santa with a merry twinkle in his eye. "Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Callahan family!" he exclaimed, his deep voice resonating warmth and cheer. Lily's eyes widened in amazement as she approached Santa with a shy grin. "Are you really Santa Claus?" she asked, her voice filled with wonder. Santa chuckled warmly. "Why, of course, my dear Lily. And I have something special just for you." He reached into his sack and handed her a perfectly wrapped present, tied with a red ribbon. With trembling hands, Lily unwrapped the gift to find the doll she had longed for. Her face lit up with uncontainable happiness as she hugged the doll tightly. "Thank you, Santa, thank you so much," she exclaimed, her heart overflowing with joy. Santa winked and patted her head affectionately. "Remember, Christmas is not just about receiving gifts, but about spreading love and kindness to everyone around you." After sharing warm hugs and bidding farewell, Santa vanished into the night sky, leaving the Callahans in awe of the magical encounter they had just experienced. As the first light of Christmas Day dawned, the Callahans gathered around the tree, cherishing the love and magic that filled their hearts. With smiles on their faces and hearts full of gratitude, they knew that the true spirit of Christmas lay in the joy of giving, sharing, and spreading happiness to all. And in that small, cozy cottage, amidst the snow-kissed landscape, the spirit of Christmas continued to shine brightly, warming the hearts of the Callahan family and all those around them for many years to come.